Google Analytics is valuable because it's based on data, and data is the best way to tell how your marketing campaigns are performing, whether your marketing company is actually getting your results, why your website isn't performing as well as you'd like, and how to fix it. The truth is, SEO is not a stab in the dark. Your success can be measured in numbers and adjusted for better performance. This is where Google Analytics comes in. On your dashboard, pay attention to your total number of visitors over the last 7 days and how they behaved, how you acquired your users or how users found your website, such as from organic search, social media, or referrals, how your website traffic is trending over time, and your best performing pages over the last 7 days. In the next video, we'll get into your audience overview. Leave a comment if you have any Google Analytics or SEO questions you'd like answered. See you next time.